seatbelt at all times during today's flight. Federal regulations prohibit smoking on board. This includes vaping and the use of e-cigarettes. Consuming your own alcohol, including items purchased at duty-free or any cannabis products on board, is not permitted. On today's flight, we are offering our Air Canada Bistro service. A variety of food and drinks can be purchased using your credit card. Also, for a limited time, TD Aeroplan credit card holders will receive a 25% statement credit on all bistro items purchased with your card. See our bistro menu for full details.